Okay, here's another body cam. Turn it the right way. It's the Boblov A30, made in China. There's the box. 4K, one-click sound recording, one-click video recording. That's good. One-click photographs, so you don't have to sit there fumble with a bunch of buttons when someone's, bothering you, harassing you. If you have a police encounter or something like that, you don't have to fumble with, the camera and deal with a bunch of confusing buttons, which makes it easy. We'll see what that 4K looks like, whether or not it's, upscaled 720 or upscaled 1080, whatever. There's some of the technical specifications. You can pause it and look at it if you want. Anyone who knows me, I'm a huge proponent of, protecting yourself from this crazy world, these crazy people running around. It was my first time opening this because I just felt like doing it this way. It just fell out of the bottom. Oh, there's your card reader. There's your user manual. USB Type-C is what else would it be? Yeah, USB Type-C cable. You get this thing to hang around your neck. USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter. A thing to hang it around your, for your handlebars. And it has an adjustable, quarter 20 mount. Your bike or motorcycle, or I guess if you have small enough wrists, you could just hang it around your wrists. Or, I don't know. But anyhow, there's a little charging dock for the batteries, USB-C. Double charging dock, so you get two batteries with it. Rotatable clip, so you can put on the back. You could use it to clip the camera to your shirt, or if you have one of those mounts, whatever, camera mount, chest mount. This is the camera itself. Hang on, I'll show you the battery. Is it one battery or two? It's supposed to have two batteries. And it goes like that. You know how to do it. You could figure it out. It's not rocket science. Okay, here's the camera. That's the end of that. And here's the camera itself. Simple. It's got, buttons clearly marked, which I like. I think this is the speaker. This is your well, I'll just turn it on. Let's see if it has a battery first. Hold on. So this is how you open it to check whether or not there's a battery. You press this. Hang on. Like that. And there's the other battery inside. I wonder if it's completely drained. Yeah, whatever. Let's put this back in. Let's see if it's charged or not. Little clips that hold it in place. And everything lined up so it's nice and flat like that. It's going to interfere with the... it's going to mess up the picture quality if you have that on. Yeah, this is rotatable. It's 180 degrees rotatable. Turn it on. Oh, it's charged. It's barely charged. Low battery, of course. Well, let's pop in the other battery. Let's see. Turn it back off. Let's pop in. Give me a minute. Let me pop in the other battery. 2/3 charged. And pop this cover back on so the battery doesn't come out. Go ahead and lock the other side in, and that's it. Yeah, try not to get your fingerprint on it like I did. If you do, wipe it off because it'll compromise the video quality. Yeah, all clean. There's a magnet on here too, so cool. Got my refrigerator. Not that strong of a magnet, but you get the idea. The usual, no name, 64 gigabyte. Turn it on. Long press to turn it on. Okay, so the menu button is to go through the menus. Yes, that's the escape button to get out of it. Okay, so this one's to take pictures. This to zoom in if you want to, while it's in standby mode. And this other one is to zoom back out, the bottom one. Okay, so this is the start recording video button. That one right there. Stop recording a video, hit it again. And while you're recording a video, you long press it to take a photo while you're recording. The voice recorder right here. record audio, short press, and stop, and hit it again. On the side of it is the reset button to reset it, to factory settings in case it starts acting up. On this side is the short press to activate the infrared lights. It's hard to see, but you can see the infrared lights are on there. That's to activate the infrared lights. It's hard to see, I know. Press it again to turn infrared lights off. For nighttime, you long press and it turns on the that. Long press it again to shut that off. And long press it again to turn off the lights. This is easy up, down, simple navigation. Hit that, and you probably hit that to select. Make your selection, then you can get out of it. So if 4K, 2K, 1080, get out of that. It's sort of like it has proper buttons, Instead of these stupid multi-function buttons that confuse the hell out of you, it just has proper buttons so you can see what you're doing, Image size, what do we got here? That's for taking pictures, different options there. Photo burst mode, the usual. Delay record, frequency, loop recording on or off. You choose how long you want the video length. 3 minutes up to 30 minutes, it looks like. Yeah. How long you want each, how long you want it to record continuously before starting a new file. You can record 3-minute segments, 5-minute segments, 10-minute. It'll just continuously record up until the memory card is full. Time date stamp on. Motion detection on or off. It has motion detection. LCD auto off to save your battery. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Volume, medium, high, and low. Just keep it the way it is. Dash camera mode. I guess you could use it as a dash cam if you apply power to it. I guess it'll automatically start recording like a dash cam if you have it plugged into your car or something like that. Secret record off or on. I guess that turns the lights and the beeping off. Discrete recording, stuff like that. Just don't do anything illegal with it. Infrared, order or manual. When it gets dark outside, infrared automatically comes on. Just leave it on manual. Ketone on or off. Yeah, that shuts the ketone on or off. Language, self-explanatory. You can format the SD card and return to default settings. Time setting. Version of software, and that's it. So play back your files. When it's in standby mode, you just hit this back key, or the whatever this is. Just hit this one, and then you to select video, audio, whatever. You hit that, then you hit it again, and then you hit it again, and you play back your files. See. That's just me editing this video, actually. And then, in order to delete either audio, video, whatever, you select it. Then you hit that to select the image. You have to bring it up on the screen, the video, the audio, whatever. And then you long press, or you short press the M. And then it goes delete. You want to delete current, delete all, whatever. Delete current. And then you select yes, then you go down, you select it, you select OK. And that's how you delete, that's how you delete video, audio. It works the same for all of them, but that's how you do it. Within each folder, you're gonna have all your files. You go in and select whatever files you want, play them on your computer, transfer them wherever you want, That's how you do that. It's real easy. And there's the the bit rate for each file. All right. The good thing I like about this, it has one-touch recording. So you long press the record button. Power on. It automatically turns on and starts recording. So if some Karen is yelling at you or someone's harassing you, you can just start recording right away, and that's good. That's a good thing. Here it is charging, both batteries.